Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to back up your game data using Google Drive. So first, it's important to know that Google Drive doesn't automatically back up every mobile game. Many games saves progress through their own accounts or cloud save system. And for Android, start by checking whether the game has an account or cloud save option in its settings, and sign into the supported account and make sure your progress is syncing. Some game data may be included in Android's backup system, but this depends on the game and how its developer handles saved data. When moving to a phone, install the game and sign in using the same account. If the game supports cloud saves, your progress should be restored through that service. So always check the game's official backup method instead of assuming every game save is stored directly in Google Drive. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.